Here at Weil Technology, we meet the ever-growing demand for metal fabrication services with our innovative production solutions. Our machines allow manufacturers all over the world to reduce their production costs and lead times while also providing them with the ability to take on a wider range of projects. Today, we're here at Church Metal's facility in Milwaukee, Wisconsin to take a closer look at how our Flexmaster has helped them reach their goals and keep up with production demands. So today, we're going to hear directly from them about how their processes have improved since integrating a Weil Technology solution and how the Flexmaster has made a difference in their day-to-day operations.
Church Metal is a family-owned contract manufacturer. Our grandfathers started the business in 1944 to spin church offering plates using metal spinning. Over the last 80 years, our focus has changed to serve manufacturers, large engines, and architectural manufacturers. Our core processes of metal spinning, press forming, laser cutting, and welding complement each other to form complete fabricated metal parts. In 2007, we bought a sheet metal roller and an automated TIG seam welding machine. To support continued growth, we purchased 3 additional TIG seam welding machines over the next 10 years. They produce a good, consistent weld, but required the blank to be manhandled into the machine to align and clamp the seam. We also needed a plans to weld and frequently needed to re-roll the parts to get them to target roundness. We kept up with demand by running 2 shifts, but it was difficult to retain skilled workers with such a laborious process. With further expansion limited by the TIG welding process, we began to explore other options that included laser welding. Finally, the capacity constraints and the challenge to meet customer demand drove us to purchase the Weil Flexmaster. We should have moved faster.
Weil Technology's Flexmaster can be set up in just 15 minutes. Compared to what we used before, it's significantly faster, running full cycles in anywhere from 35 to 45 seconds depending on part length. The higher production rate, coupled with the ease of use, makes workers excited to use the machine instead of dreading having to run high-volume parts on the older TIG welding machines. The Flexmaster also offers a lot of flexibility, with other options including double weld, weld back, and pulse welding. This gives us a lot of variety in materials that we can use and allows us to make parts for more specialized applications. Overall, the Flexmaster is easy to use and straightforward to maintain, as long as it's properly cared for. On top of that, the support from Weil has been excellent. They are quick to respond, investigate issues, and provide long-lasting solutions to problems.
While the Flexmaster helped to achieve our goal of increasing cylinder production, we also realized other downstream benefits. As the weld zone is equivalent to the parent material thickness, we eliminated planishing. We also eliminated re-rolling after weld, as the Weil's unique sling strap system holds the weld cylinder round during the weld process. As a final bonus, the thinner welds help to reduce our spin time. Today, more than half the parts we spin are spun from steel or stainless steel cylinders. The Weil Flexmaster eliminated a bottleneck in our operation, and it also allowed us to increase the utilization of our key capability: automatic metal spinning and hydraulic press forming. So, the Flexmaster has helped us to improve quality, delivery, and cost.
As you can see, our partnership with Church Metal has empowered them to consistently meet and often exceed their production goals while maintaining exceptional quality standards. At Weil Technology, we're proud to share many similar success stories with our customers around the world. While our machines are known for delivering advanced tube forming, welding, and cutting solutions, our capabilities extend far beyond that. Our manufacturing solutions support a wide range of applications, including cooling plates, hot water tanks, vehicle exhaust systems, and much more. We would welcome the opportunity to support your goals as well and to make your success a meaningful part of our story.